Lincolnshire roads, they twist and they bend, from the Humber to the Wash, a journey with no end. Heading in the Scunny on the M180, a silver hatchback thinks its chariot is waiting. Cuts across 3 lanes, no signal, no care, with a phone to his ear and a hand in the air. Oh, the dashcam keeps rolling, a silent true witness to the chaos and the entertainment and the sheer thoughtlessness.
You are going to put on your side then.
Down Brumby Wood Lane, a queue for the light, but a 4x4 driver, he must win the fight. Mounts the curb with a grunt, on the grass he does tread, just to get 1 car ahead, is what's in his head. Oh, the dashcam keeps rolling, a silent true witness to the chaos and the environment and the sheer thoughtlessness. Keep your eyes open on these Lincolnshire lanes and pray for some patience till the rain comes again.
He is having a piss.
Can you see from your mirror?
Yeah. See, little Todger.
I'm sure there was.
No bad.
Oh.
Dickhead.
She didn't even look.